Welcome. In this video, I share how I recovered a few pillows with pre-cut fabric and revamped a metal headboard using a rug runner and foam board. I purchased two pre-cut rolls of this black plush fabric from Walmart. I measured the amount of fabric needed by using a pillow, then cutting, leaving an inch allowance for gluing. I folded the edges in as to create a clean seam. Another way is to measure and cut as if you were to sew the fabric with the outside facing in and glue the ends, leaving one end open so that you can insert the pillow after the glue dries. Now on to the headboard. I measured how wide I wanted the headboard to be. I laid the runner underside facing up and placed the foam boards on top. I then taped them together on both sides and taped the edges together. For my headboard, I taped together 4 boards across and then taped another 4 boards on top for sturdiness. I then hot glued the edges of the rug to the foam board, doing only a section at a time. You can cut off the excess foam board. I chose to keep it so as to have 4 points of contact for securing this piece to the metal headboard. I laid the new headboard face down and positioned the metal piece flat side down so that when I applied glue, there would be better adhesion. I also use zip ties and E6000 for better security. I waited 30 minutes and set it in place. Now we have a new headboard for about $39 and 4 new plush covered pillows for under $15. I hope this gives you some inspiration to create your own headboard by using an item in an unconventional way and to recover your existing pillows instead of buying new ones. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I hope you have a pleasant, purposeful, and productive day.